Hello friends, I am Satish. You are watching me on Lucid Study. Today I have come back with another interesting session. Are you interested to learn? That's good. Come. Can you see what is there on the board? Yes. Goal setting. What is she doing? She has targeted her aim. Is it her goal? Yes, it is her goal. Friends, first of all, let me ask you what is a goal? Goal is a plan of action that somebody wants to do in the course of the time in order to achieve. Right? Yes, maybe for pleasure purpose they can achieve it, or for the sake of success they can achieve it. But everybody has some goals. There are two types of goals: short-term goals and long-term goals. What are short-term goals? Short-term goals are something like you want to achieve them in near time. It can be today, or it can be in this week, or in this month, or in this year. That you need to complete it within 12 months or less than time. And we have another types of goals, long-term goals. They need plan of action. It takes more than 1 year or more few years. Right? Yes. What are these goals we have learned? And how do you set a goal? In order to set a goal, you need to once examine what are your interests, where you are good at, what you want to achieve, and what you want to become. This is how you will plan and design your goal. Later, you will target it to achieve it as a short-term goal or long-term goal. Yes, let us see what are these in detail. Friends, you will set a goal, right? Yes, after that, what you learn from setting a goal? Will you be deviated or will you work on focused? Let us see. Goals give you focus. Goals are set by you and you want to achieve them. In order to achieve easily, you cannot. What you need to do? You need to spend your time and focus on the goal. You are not deviated. You are not disturbed. You will work on it. You will dream for it. You will aim for it. Ultimately, whether you win or lose, that doesn't matter. What is matters? Focus. You will learn to focus on certain things. Right? That's what you will learn from goals. Friends, here we have the second one. Goals help you measure progress. What is it? You have set already a goal and you are working hard and spending your time to achieve the goal. Right? That's good. But here what happens? The journey and the efforts you are putting gives you the success. Right? Here you can measure it. In which way? Last month, what was my progress? This month, what is my progress? And next month, what should be my work? In which way I have to approach in order to reach my goal? You will examine and you will measure the work and you will, see the rate of your success, whether you are going to achieve it soon or not. And you also realize what efforts you need to bring into that. The important thing is goals alone setting is not the thing. Goals also makes you to be motivated. Right? Suppose when you are achieving or when you are on the way to reach your goal, sometimes you may face some difficulties or some bad experiences. At the time, what you want to do? Yes, will you deviate from the way of reaching the goal? No, never. Already you have set a goal. That really helps you to be motivated and work better, work harder, learn from the previous lessons and go ahead. This is how goals helps you stay motivated. And the next one, the fourth one is they help you beat procrastination. What is the meaning of procrastination? Postponement. We always, right, generally we postpone the works. Generally what we do, we postpone the works, right? Yes, whatever it is, we postpone, whether it is small or big work, right? Yes, if you already set a goal, if you already have a time to reach it, then what you do? Will you postpone it? No. That's why goals make you stop the procrastination and will motivate you to work harder. Suppose take this student. Does he seem like he has a goal? No. If he is aimed at to complete the work whichever he was given, yes, that will really help him not to postpone. In this way, goals help you beat procrastination. Right? Good. Fifth point here is you achieve even more. not only achieving the goal, but also you will achieve many more. I'll give you an example. Check this cyclist. His aim is to achieve the peak of the mountain or hill, right? That is his goal. He wants to cycle it, climb it and reach the target. On his journey, he is learning many more things. Yes, how to face up, how to cope up with the emotions, how to cope up with the pressure, or how to cope up or how to face the emotions, environment. This all is learning here. That really matters more. Everything in our journey to reach your goal, you will learn. That's why goal teaches you many more things how to achieve. And the last one here is goals help you determine what you want in life. If you set up a goal, right? Yes, you win because of the journey you have, right? Yes. But what you learn from these goals help you determine, be committed in the life whichever you are interested, whatever you want, right? If the goal is not set, imagine if the goal is not set, how your life going to be? Definitely miserable. That's why goals teach us so many things. Which are the points we have learned today? From point 1 to point 6. Everything related to goal doesn't only lead us to achieve goal. It also shapes our personality, molds us, makes us very strong. That's why, dear friends, don't waste your time. Hurry up, set a goal and become a winner.